Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is a perfect time to check your English level. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you are subscribed before we get started. We are going to test your English level in these 10 expressions. If you know all these 10 expressions, it means that your English level is excellent. Let's get started. Now we are going to test your English level in this way. Here I have 10 expressions for you. You are going to check out if you know all of them. First expression we have, it's off my hands. It's off my hands. This means that it is no longer my responsibilities or my problems. For example, a lot of people are waiting outside. A lot of people are waiting outside. Then what? It's off my hands. They're out there. There is a lot of people who are waiting for you. But when you say it's off my hands, you mean that it is not longer your responsibilities, not even your problems. It's off my hands. Let's see the second expression. The second expression is this. It's on my hands. It's on my hands. This is the opposite of the first one. This means that it is my responsibilities. It is my duties. Let's see a little example. The baby is crying. It's on my hands. The baby is crying. It's on my hands. It means that it is my responsibility to take care of that baby. It is my responsibility to take care of that baby. The third expression is this. Watch out. Watch out. This expression means that pay attention. Pay attention or be careful. When somebody says watch out, they mean pay attention. Pay attention, or it means like be careful or pay attention. Maybe there must be something which is not good. That's why you must pay attention. Then instead of saying pay attention, you can say watch out. Watch out. Let's see the next expression. It's my concern. It's my concern. This means that it's up to me. It's my business. It's up to me. It is my business. Okay, let's see a little example. It's not my concern. This means that it is not up to me. Not even my business. That's why it is not my concern. Let's see the next one. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. It means that let's tell the truth. No lies, no exaggerations, just only truth. I mean, no lies, no exaggerations, just only truth. A little example. Before we start, let's keep it real. Before we start, let's keep it real. It's like to say, let's tell the truth. Yeah, just tell the truth. Don't lie, don't exaggerate. Only say the truth. The next one is to be honest with somebody. To be honest with somebody. To tell somebody a truth. Example. Let me be honest with you. Let me be honest with you. It means that let me tell you the truth. Another example. Just be honest with me. Just be honest with me. It means that tell me only the truth. Don't lie to me. The following one is to comprehend. This means to understand. This verb to comprehend is the synonym of to understand. Little example, I comprehend that. It means that I understand that. The noun from that verb is comprehension. Comprehension. This means understanding. Yeah, here you understand something deeply. If you do that, it means that you are making comprehension. A little example, his level of comprehension is down. His level of comprehension is down. It means that his level of understanding is down. He cannot understand it. He cannot comprehend it. The next one is to take off. To take off. It means that to remove. Example, take off your clothes. Take off your clothes. It means that remove your clothes. Remove your clothes. To put on. To put on, this means that to wear. To wear. To put on means to wear. Little example, put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. It means that wear your clothes. The next one is to turn off. To turn off. This means that to switch off. Little example, turn off the light. Turn off the light. It means that switch off the light. Switch off the light. The last one is this. To turn on. To turn on. It means that to switch on. This is the opposite of to turn off. Let's see a little example. Turn on the light. It means that switch on the light. The last example, we can also say turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Or better, you can say switch on the TV. Switch on the TV. Thank you for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, like, share, and comment.